This video is to show you how to hook your ejector plate back onto your Pitney DI200 where it's just popped off the springs like that, which is quite easy to do when you just nudge it. First thing to make sure you've got right is that your blue spring is on this side and your red spring is on this side. And the springs sit on the end of their little shafts like that, and what you'll find is that there's a little hook there and the spring has to sit under it like that. So that's blue side on the left, and the red spring again sits under that little hook just there, and then when it's there like that, that's in the correct position to hook it back on. The tricky part of putting this back on is, you see that hook there, and there's one on the other side there. They need to hook onto this little stub there, and obviously this one onto this side. Now the way the spring fits onto this is it doesn't sit there like that, it has to go the other side. So as I'm pushing it down onto the spring, I'm not putting the spring on that side. I'm putting the spring on the back of it, so behind here. So the idea is put it on like that. It is quite fiddly, you have to hold it quite firmly and push the springs down until your two hooks hook onto their plastic parts. Once it's on like that, see this here and this here, these two tabs, once you push them forward they hook onto the other side of the bits of plastic there. So as you're holding it tight, you push it forward, you'll hear them click in like that, and that's it securely on then. So as you let go of it now, it will do what it's supposed to do. The other thing you might find is underneath here, so if we lift this up, you might have, I haven't got them on mine, a silver spring there and one there. And rather than trying to hook them on at the same time as trying to hook the ejector plate on, it's just as easy to do it after, because they're not very tense springs. So one end of your silver spring should hook onto there, and the other end just onto that plastic part there, and the same on this side. One end onto there, to that white part, and the other end onto that part there. So just don't forget those two springs underneath.